guess there was a melody that came from the depths of me.
It's really starting to feel that the latest Black Shark gaming smartphones are coming soon. We've been getting a lot of news from the brand recently, and this one's pretty interesting. In a series of official Weibo posts, it has now been revealed that the Black Shark 3 Pro will come with mechanical pop-up trigger buttons. Also, the back panel of the device also leaked via /leaks. It confirms that it will come with a triangular camera module with 3 camera sensors along with flash. So therefore we got an outline picture of the device and how it will look like with much more slimmer bezels on the front. The buttons in question are built-in mechanical ones that will pop up only when needed. According to Black Shark, the buttons will be able to pop out 300,000 times, and the buttons can withstand 1 million clicks. It should be quite reliable and would last the user for many years to come. Since it's a pair of mechanical buttons, left and right sides, you can also expect it to deliver good precision and feedback when in use. Other than this, the Black Shark 3 series will debut on March 3rd with groundbreaking specs. Both will be powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 SoC, coupled with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal memory. The Pro is said to house a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 65-watt fast charging support. Both the devices will run on Android 10 out of the box, with Black Shark's custom UI, specially optimized for gaming.
So that's it for this video. If you guys enjoy tech leak and rumors, then make sure to hit that subscribe button below, because I upload such video regularly. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.